Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Selin, if you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. With that being said, hey baby girls, hey boos, hey sis, hey darlings, how you guys doing? Happy Easter before I forgot. Easter to you all out there. I hope you guys are enjoying your Easter. We are in quarantine, but still, baby girl, you need to glam up. Okay, you need to glam up. Don't stick around and say, okay, I want to eat, I want to chill, I want to be boring. You don't need to be boring. You really need to put together, look put together, look snatched for your boo, for your baby girl. Darling, where are you? I miss you. So cute. I even did my hair for you. I even paint my lips for you. I even shake my leg for you. I said it. I shaved my legs for you. Juicy. Anyway guys, today I'm coming up to you with this kind of beautiful going out look. I'm indoors, okay? I'm not going anywhere, but I just want to look good. I just want to look put together. I just want to look hot, okay? Period. Today I'm coming up to you with this makeup look, and I use a new palette to achieve this eye look. I had a similar palette before, but I decided just to, you know, get another palette. I get this palette quite some time now. Well, I've not really used it. I don't really know which kind of look I should create. I decided to come up with this kind of neon gold eye look, and it kind of matches my outfit. I'm super into this look, like seriously super into it. Super easy to recreate. You don't get life twisted for yourself, trust me. I use this BH Cosmetic Miss Bella palette. Super beautiful palette. This is how it looks like. Oh, sorry about that. This is how it looks like. So beautiful. So beautiful. It has a highlight and it has a blush. I use a highlight to highlight my face, but I didn't use the blush because I already had another blush on mine to use. This is the old palette. Let me quickly show you the old palette. I have this palette now for years, 4 years if I'm not mistaken, and it's a very beautiful palette as well. So I wasn't really that mad or too curious, because I know the quality of this palette is bomb.com. You can't go wrong with this palette. Super workable. This is a very friendly palette for beginners. You're Gucci. All right, so, and I decided to come up with a red lip. I know the eye is already drama enough, but I just decided this is the kind of look I want to go for. Nude lips, girl, calm down. I've been into nude lips of lately, so I decided just to go for a bold lip, and it kind of matches this gold. You know, gold and red kind of, you know, they are in the same level of beauty groove. Anyways, enough of the talking. I did my face off camera. Today I tried to switch off the technique a little bit. I did my eye look before I do my face. I did that off camera. I always have a foundation, highlights and contour routine down below and as well on the screen. Please do go and check it out if you're curious. How does she do her face? How does she beat her face to the next level? Just go ahead and click the link down below or on the screen, and it will take you to direct place you're going to. All right, thank you. Anyway guys, enough of the talking. All the products I use, as always, is going to be listed down below. Without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I put this look together, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. And as always, I always say, don't forget to do what makes you happy, and stay pretty and stay blessed. And I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Take care, love, ciao. Today I'm extra because it's Easter. I need to be happy. I only got one life, like, period. What should I be angry? Bye. To start up, to primer, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Warm Honey Milk. All right, I'm super excited guys, because this look is going to be super glamorous, not too colorful, simple if you want to recreate it. So to blend the eyeshadow all over my eye, where is this brush? I just used the brush right now. So I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetic brush. I'm just going to use that to blend the eye base all over my eye. The concealer we apply, concealer. So yeah. Oh, hold on. I have a Vaseline on my lips, but I still need to apply some lip gloss. I'm using this Urban Decay lip gloss. I love this lip gloss a lot. It has a little bit of menthol feeling to it, so yeah. So I'm just going to be taking my Airspun loose setting powder. I'm just going to set it down a little bit so that when we are blending, we don't have any patchy situation going on. I'm going to be using these palettes. I have this old one from BH Cosmetic. It's called Bella. So I got another one. This one is also called Miss Bella palette. Super cute palette. I'm going to go into details when it comes to this Miss Bella palette because I had the old one and the pigment, the quality is booming, period. Okay, so I'm not really going to go in depth. I'm just going to tell you the color I'm going to be using. Color, I'm going to be taking this brush by Beaubel, and I'm taking this shade called I'm going to take this shade called Warm Sand, this color right here. That is going to be my transition color. As you can see how it looks, it's super pigment and it's very workable palette. So this is the kind of skin shade tone. So yeah, I'm just going to start blend. So yeah, but don't worry guys, this, as I said at the beginning, this look is going to be very simple, but at the same time I want to keep it super smoky because that is the kind of vibe I'm feeling right now. As you can see, the transition color already super beautiful, and this palette has a little bit fallouts. The fallout is very bearable and workable. So for the next shade, I'm going to be taking this this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that on my outer corner, outer V, and then blend it to my inner corner area, to my crease. I'm going to pack that color until I get my desire. I'm going to be taking this ABH brush, and I'm going to be taking this shade called Blood Moon, this one right here. On the area I apply the first two shades, and I'm going to use the same brush to blend as well. Apply a blend of my look has different kind of technique the way I do it. So with this look I need to apply and blend. All right, just apply and blend straight away. All right, and basically guys, before I forget, we are doing a half cut crease. This one right here, super dark shade, and I'm going to apply that exactly on my outer V. And with the brush, I'm just going to kind of spread it to the area I want the eyeshadow to stick into. It's super easy, and I feel super relaxed. So that is the shape of eye I'm going for. I'm not flattening it out. I'm just going to make it at least round on my outer corner. And I'm going to use the other side to blend in just a little bit, very gently with a circle emotion. All right, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. And I'm going to use the applicator to cut my crease. This is my brush to correct the lines, okay, so it can look super precise. I'm going to take the Blood Moon. I'm just going to go ahead on my outer corner. I'm just going to basically apply that shade right there so we don't have any definition of the concealer. And this is a very beautiful shade guys, very beautiful shade. And I'm just going to apply that on top. Right here, this is what I'm going to apply on my lid. Goddess. Spray my brush with the Airbrush All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm spraying it so we can have that pigment dropping. I'm going to be taking the shade called Cold, this shade right here. Just going to apply that on my brow bone. Tap it like it's tap. Taking the Maybelline eyestudio gel liner, and I'm going to take the applicator to apply my eyeliner. I'm done with my eyeliner, as you can see. Anyway guys, I'm going to be taking this Lagerfeld mascara by L'Oreal, and I'm just going to apply that on my lashes and my bottom lashes later on when we are done with our face. All right, you see that? You just see that? Just stick, period. Just stick, just stay there, just stay there. Ah, God. I'm pretty much done with the eye look, and I'm going to do my foundation, highlight and contour and blush and highlight all this jazz off camera. I'll be right back just to show you. We are back. All right, so I'm going to go straight ahead and take that brush once again and take this shade right here, this Blood Moon. I'm just going to blow that on my bottom lashes. Lights my inner corner. I'm going to be taking this shade called Glam, and this palette also has a blush, but I didn't use a blush, decided to use something else. I'm going to be taking this shade called Glam. This is the wrong brush to use, but I can manage it. Beautiful. Yes, I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose, the pointed of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Tap on my cheek. Just like be taking my blush brush to just to pronounce. Yes, yeah, you can see half that glow come within. And now in copper brown, I found out that I have a longer one. The other day I was using the shorter one. Okay, don't cover me. I decided to go for bold lip because I've been doing super nude lip of lately, so I decided just to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to be extra today. I'm taking the L'Oreal Ultra Matte liquid lipstick. This one is in teasy berry, teasy ruby, okay, in 864 teasy ruby. Guys, that's pretty much it for this look. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? I'm loving this look. I'm loving it. Super glamorous, put together. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this makeup tutorial. I'll be right back to show you the finished look.